Hurricane Sandy in full effect. Our tree, which is freaking us out as it's moving.
It's raining. It's raining.
The wind's kicking it up a notch. Check out the back.
What about this tree?
The woods. The one bad thing about living near the woods.
Nerds! Alright, I mean it for one.
He was a little late on that. That should have been in the last video.
Holy shit, we are nerds. We're sitting
Hoping the pool's fine. Hey guys, this is my tree after the storm. Pulled it right out of the ground. And look at that, guys, laying right on the pool. Any closer and no more pool. Just the very top. I figure that tree's about a 40-50 footer. And just a little top touched it. Alright. When do you see this? Nobody on the roads. Desolate. Look at the power lines. All on the floor.
You'll choose from the largest selection of fabulous new furs in North America, or from an incredible...
Waiting online for gas. What fun. It could be hours. Our road by the house, this is what it looks like in pitch dark with no power. This is insanity. It's been 3 days now without power. Let's see how long this BS lasts. And this is what it looks like with no power. And just candlelight to show you the way. Absolutely nothing to do, extreme boredom.